labrum then?
Yes, that is the label pulled away from the glenoid bone, and we'll see how many anchors he'll be getting in a few.